Autodesk Autocad 3D modeling continuation from previous unit. Home, select the rectangle, viewport configuration vertical 2. So then draw on here, no measurement. So if you say, you can select the measurement also. Say then circle, select the circle, you can use the ellipse also. So then select on here, so then select this and move command. So just move like this way. So then highlight this, trim command. So then select this and click on here. So you go to join. Okay, now same as P line. So now select this one, extrude. Extrude. And give the thickness for this one. Select this, extrude. Give some thickness. I give like this way. So then coordinates. To the left, it's better. So you put the right. Say then origin. Previous version we done this part. Origin point. I click on here. Origin. I keep it on here. Say. So then draw the line. So you click on here. Say just F8. So just keep it on like this way. No measurement for this one. So then right mouse enter. So then select this copy command. Base point on here. And F8 off. Keep it on here. Right mouse enter. So then P line. Click on here. Just draw this way. Revolve function already done. So then click right this way. Say your wish. So then select the arc. And connect it with this one. Right mouse it. You now select this one. Revolve. Specify axis on this one. Endpoint to here. So then 360 degree. So then after that, highlight this one, copy command, and select the base point on here and click on here. So one more, click on here also. Once again, copy command, base point on here and click on here. Now delete this line. So then highlight this. So now this one 3D object. 3D object. So now select the extract edges. Extract edges. Click on this 3D object. Extract edges. Select object, this 3D object. Then right mouse. Now separated this line. So now select these lines, only the top lines. Then go to join. Then enter. So then after that, select this. Path array. Path array. So you click on this line, top line. It's coming like this way.